Do you want to know how you can paraphrase essays or paragraphs using ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT to paraphrase your essay or paragraph. Open chatgpt.com, log into your account, and you can see this prompt box. Go ahead and ask, "Can you paraphrase for me?" And it will give you the answer, of course. Just give me the sentence or passage you like paraphrase and I'll help you phrase it for you. So go ahead and write down what you want to paraphrase and click enter. You can see that it will paraphrase text which you have provided. You can see in a while all of these has been turned into this. So it is summarized and paraphrased. Now if you don't like it, you can see the option where you can copy this again and paste it here and retry. So if you don't want that, just go ahead and write down, rephrase it again. And you can see that it will start rephrasing it and it will look a bit more better. So if you don't like it and want to start it from first, go ahead and copy the text, hit shift plus enter and write down paraphrase this and make it look more human as possible. So after you write this, it will start paraphrasing it again and it will do what you have commanded. So it will make it look more human as possible. This was a video on how you can paraphrase essays or paragraphs using ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.